Hello, this should be working now, I think, right? Yeah. I just have to speak a bit louder. So I'm playing this at what time is it? Let me check. What time is it? 4 a.m. 4 a.m. So I've played uh how do you this one, of course, it's easier to pronounce Waku Waku. Waku Waku. Or to guess the pronunciation, but this I don't know, is it Run Run? Run Run. Hara Hara. So I haven't played this one yet, but I've played this and this. I think I might, maybe I'll do this one next time first. I'll do this again and we'll see. I still keep forgetting that the fever mechanic is there whenever I play this, since I got used to the other one. I think there's a thing in the browser I can play this with. I can play Puyo Puyo with, but I think it was the old arcade version where Arl is at the tower and then you have to defeat yeah. That course for, yeah. Yeah. Start.
Hello, quick note that I won't be reacting or commenting much on the story in this recording. It's fun though, heads up in case that's what you clicked for.
I don't have much to comment. I have a recording of me playing this for the first time, I think. Yeah, I do. But then it's split up in the I need to learn how to, what's this called? To multitask. No. I need to learn how to multitask. Say, speaking, no. Oh, well. Multitask speaking while, no, this, no, I messed it up already. Now, let's just do this. And then this. And then yeah, and then do this. Yeah. But, well, okay, I do this. And then it will clear both. After I don't play Puyo Puyo in a while, for some reason I'm not able to do chains as well as I could. Well, not as well as I could. I mean, I'm not aware. I can't see the patterns as well as if I play it consistently, like at least one time, one round a day. One round. What's this course thingy, if I play this course once. Or if I finish what's that one? The freaking fighting one. Yeah. What freaking fighting one? I'm not thinking, the words not working. I'm not seeing words anymore, sentences that make sense anymore. Yeah. No. I'm greedy. I'm getting too greedy. Okay. I made it. On time. Huh? Oh. Well, I'm not sure what I can do about it so that I don't forget how to Puyo just because I don't play in a few days. But that's what tends to happen. And I play it for a bit, so now I don't know, not doing so well. Yeah, can't even think of words to say. I was talking about how all clear. Yeah, I was talking about what I have a recording of this on. I have a screen recording. Huh? I have a recording, and the audio recording is different from the game recording. And I haven't been able to put it together. But then, also at the start, I was speaking too energetically, and I didn't like it, even though that's better to do. No, I should have done the other thing. I'm not used to the, what's this called? I still forget the controls. Not forget. I still don't do the controls properly. Or, yeah, I do forget. It's so hard to speak while playing. Why can't I do that? Wish I could do the same that other people can do. Okay. Eh? Yeah, see, again, I forgot about the offsetting things. I've just been setting off Puyo the entire time, not paying attention to that thing. And I just did it again after I just spoke about that, about not doing that. Well, at least it didn't go so badly for me. But then she's gonna, no, no. Okay. Eh? Uh-huh. I remember. Oh, I'm remembering. And then I should do that. And then I set them off. So now she's in this thingy. So I should do this. Because I'm in danger. Nye. Okay, I made it. Oh yeah. Okay. I managed. Whee! Let's go. What was I talking about? I had a recording. I was energetic in that. I didn't like it so much. And then for some reason I can't think I can't think of words to say while playing. The words come out, but then they're not making sense in sentences. Yes. What else do they want to say? I guess you can just use this as background noise for whatever you're doing if you end up coming across this, since I'm not good at commentating yet while playing. But the only way to get better at doing that is to just keep trying to do it. Green. Green now. And then, no, don't do that. And then you. And then, I don't know. And then I put a red one here so that I can do this. And with a blue one, I put a red one. And do this. But there's not enough greens because it got blocked. Should I? I don't know. Okay, let's do it. Yeah. No. They didn't fuel. Oh no. Okay. I need a yellow. Okay. Okay, I got distracted at whatever is doing. Okay. In here, in here, in here. Okay. You can take that and get this. And then I'm giving them fuel again. I need to prepare stuff. I need to do this. And I won't set that off because okay. Oh no. Ah well. Okay, not fully dead yet. Eh. Okay, I'm die. Thank you forever. Okay, another. Let's try again. So, how fast? It's what the frick? The recording is already at 600 plus MB just from that. Oh no. Ah, dang it. I'm thinking too slowly. My leg hurts. I need to think faster. And no. No. No, why did I do that? Wait. No. Okay, again. I keep shoving my face near this thing so that you can pick up my voice. So that it can be heard. Green? I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing something. Uh-huh. And then this one. This one. What am I doing? What am I cooking? What am I doing? No. What the heck? Ah, okay. See, even though I know I should be looking at the offsetting meter indicators at the top. I forgot what they're called. The red rock thing, the white rocks, the little puyo, the trash puyo, nuisance puyo, whatever they're called. I keep forgetting to think about that. I just keep thinking, oh yeah, I need to do chains, but then I shove my face here near the screen of this so that you can pick up my voice, so it doesn't get overwhelmed by the sound. But then that's making me not be able to think faster because my eyes hurt. What am I doing? We're doing a thing. What? No, oh, dang it, I messed it up. No, what am I doing? 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 No. Okay. 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 Green. Okay. Okay, I almost messed that up. It almost got messed up. Okay, and then maybe a blue, green, yellow, green, blue. Yeah, it worked out, and I even have a tiny little time bonus. But I should hurry so that yeah, I'm doing this thing. Yeah, what are you called again? You're called something. You're called Tanaka something. I shouldn't have set that off. Oh well. Yeah. Why do you keep setting these things off? Don't do that. No, I messed that up. That should be a blue up there. And you. And then we do this. And then I mess up because I forget that's a thing. And then I set it off. I set it off instead of waiting. No, I don't give them more fuel. I don't do that because I think things through. But then I'm not preparing anything to defend myself with. No. And then so I do this and then I fail. So in the first recording, I kept trying to, yeah. First few attempts in the first recording, I kept trying to do the intro, talking about how I hadn't played Puyo in a long time. But then one day, oh no, what is this? I'm doing this thing again. I'm being dumb. And I'm doing things that are dumb. I just need to offset the stuff to give myself fuel. Okay, we do a thing. No, I'm slow. Oh, no, okay. I don't have enough to disrupt their thing fully. Okay. I don't have a blue yet. I need to get a blue down here. And then I kept trying to tell the story of how I haven't played it in a while. And then the one time I searched up and I managed to find it, and I tried to be consistent. Oh, time bonus, tiny bit. So I tried to play it for a couple of hours. I think like during lunch. And then the one time I played, one of the family members that were staying with us for a bit. Turns out after that they asked my siblings about whether that's all I do. Even though it's been years since I played Puyo Puyo, and I just searched up the thing and I could play it on the browser. I did that. And they're the ones that play consistently on their phone. And then the one time that I play something, they asked me that because I was too focused on trying to understand how to play it again. And until now, I still get confused on what to do. And no, no, what am I doing? What am I cooking? Okay, uh, uh, frick. We do this. Yes. We clear the way. And then we keep this open so that we can do this. But we don't have a blue that drops. But luckily that drops. And then, and then we do this. But I don't have anything that's actually helpful. Oh. What am I doing? There's no pattern. There's nothing happening. There's nothing useful. I just gave them more fuel. I gave R more fuel. I'm going to lose. What am I cooking? Okay, let's do this. Maybe something will happen. Will something happen? Please something happen. Let's hurry. And I mess up. And I misdrop. And then no. Okay, I'll try again. Hopefully you've been able to hear my voice since I've been talking since earlier. If not, oh yeah. I wanted my first video to be the explanation, but then I figured I should just record something even if it sucks. So at least I have something. Oh, dang it. So at least I have something in it posted instead of nothing. What am I doing? What am I cooking? Okay, again I fail again. I figured I should have something posted anyway, since the point of this channel is so that I get used to speaking more again, since I'm not speaking as much, and in the first place I don't speak that much. So what do you call this? It's giving me trouble, but not I don't know. It's been giving me a little bit of trouble because I'm not pronunciation, yeah. I'm not saying words or pronunciations well, yeah. What am I doing? What are you doing? What in the world are you doing? No. What is this? Why am I feeding I'm feeding her fuel. What am I doing? No, that's dangerous. It's unbalanced building. Oh, I did something. Let's go. I didn't even notice that. I did that. Ay, why did I do that? Yeah. 780. Now here, where I get stuck. Either I get stuck at Arl or I get stuck at Popoy. Sounds Popoy. Is this the golden axe? That you've been, no. Is this golden axe that you've been seeking? Or possibly this silver axe? Oh yeah, I also mentioned this thing in the, what's that? I'm doing head tilts to point at something to the side. But then you can't see my head. You can't. Japanese mythology thingy in the previous thing. Yeah. Words. But then you can't have it for no. No, I thought I could just. I forgot. That's what happens. Uh. 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 Ooh. 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 What in the world? What in the world? Ish. Dish. Okay. 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 I managed to dig down. No. And then because I did that, and because I did this, no, I'm going to get cooked because I don't have enough fuel. No, not yet. And then I do this because I am goofy. I don't think because my brain is not. It's. Whee! Okay, hurry. I need to think. I need to actually think. I wonder if you've been able to hear over did I go? I wonder if you've been able to hear my voice over all the noise. No. And then I give them more fuel. And then I don't think this through. And then it's not flexible what I'm doing. And then I'm not thinking fast enough. Give me a blue, please. No, I just dropped. Give me a blue. What did I do at the top? And it doesn't even contribute much. Yellow. Dang it. Ah, climb. I wasted that. It's a waste. And I lose. My leg hurts. Let me move around. Let's see if I can do something. If not, I'm just gonna give up and I'm gonna sleep. Also, yeah, I didn't mention. I'm recording at my bunk bed. I'm on the top bunk bed.
Okay, we're gonna fast forward for a bit here because all I was talking about was how my eye was hurting from being too close to the screen. I keep seeing stuff that's wasted. And you can also see my timing and observation of the opponent.
And think on the go. What the heck does that mean? What am I even saying? Green. There's no greens. No, 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 no. That would have been fuel. That could have been fuel. And I need to dig down. Managed. Now, green. Green. I almost messed up. I haven't memorized what order the colors appear yet. And also, oh yeah, I forgot to say earlier, I still haven't gotten used to the controls. If you tilt using the thing, it tilts to the other side and the other side. So I don't remember. Hey, I won. Let's go. Yeah, I got the flying cane and I can use it to fly the cane. Yay, now I can sleep. Whee! But I'll have to listen to this. And I don't know if maybe I'll still post it even though you can't fully hear me speaking very well. Then I don't know, put subtitles on the thing.
This is Editor Me recording what I think the moral of the story of this course is: be modest sometimes, other times accept the free things. Free things are nice, getting rewarded for hard work is also nice, so don't be modest all the time, yeah.
Oh yeah, note to myself, I pressed the volume button twice. For this audio level of the thing versus my voice. Yay. So the last time I played was October 29. Yeah. Letter O. And then after that PQR. All of those were October 29. Okay, but oh no. Yeah, I'm just gonna put this, even though it's not the best. I don't know if if you want to listen to it since there's lots of background noise, and it's the electric fan. But then I guess it will work for people to have it as background noise. Maybe, I don't know. Screeching wheels. Anyway, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye.